Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the safe model and exact battery type. This avoids forcing the wrong cells. Once you have AA, CR123, or 9V replacements and a small screwdriver, put the safe into its service or programming mode so it won't lock unexpectedly. You should also record the existing combination and swipe the keypad once to clear dust. Then, open the battery compartment cover and remove the spent cells. Do this deliberately so you can compare terminal orientation before inserting fresh batteries. You now focus on correct installation. Match polarity exactly to the plus and minus markings printed in the compartment. Replace all cells together. Mixing new and old reduces runtime and can cause voltage sag. If battery contacts show grime or light corrosion, clean them gently with a soft cloth or electronic contact cleaner before seating the cells. Once batteries are seated, press the cover into place and briefly test the keypad to confirm power. If the safe has a backup external port, leave it capped. You finish by testing every access method. Enter the combination, try any biometric reader, and use the physical override key if present to verify functionality. If the keypad remains blank or the motor hesitates, immediately recheck battery orientation and ensure contacts are clean. Then try a new full set of batteries. If problems persist, reset to service mode per the manual or contact the manufacturer. This avoids forcing mechanisms and potentially voiding warranty. 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.